Well, winter's coming on, and I better check my axes and make sure they're all right. So get ready to split some wood. This particular axe I use is a jersey pattern from Council Tool. The handle looks good and stout, so I won't have to replace it. So, but I'm gonna put an edge on it. It needs to be sharpened a little bit. But before I do, anytime you're using sharp tools, it's always a good idea to wear your leather work gloves. And you'll need a good file. I prefer the flat single cut mill bastard file and filing the edge, and a good file cord. It helps you clean your file out and metal shavings you're taking off the axe. Well, let's put the axe in the vise. I like to wrap a protector around the head. Tighten it up real good and stout. And when you're filing the axe, you want to check and see if you have any dents, little nicks in your cutting edge. And if you do, if it's nicked up real bad, you might want to profile the axe. You would take the file and file some of the nicks out, so keeping the same profile of the axe blade bit. Here we want to take the file and hold it in a 20, maybe 20 to 25 degree angle, and make good, sharp strokes going the whole distance of the bit. Out. And do the same amount on both sides. Making sure you keep your hands away from the bit whenever you go down with the file. With the filing done, you want to check on the bit. If you see a reflection of light, that means you have a flat spot that still needs to be filed out. Sometimes this can take up 10, 15, 20, 30 minutes, depending on how bad the nicks are. There, that looks good. Now we want to use a rock. There's several different types of rocks available. Stones. Have the round puck. It comes two-sided with a coarse and a fine side. You also have the oil stones that have a coarse and a fine side. I have this little sharpening kit that's available on Council Tools website that I'm going to use. First, I'm going to use the soft stone. Put a little oil on it. And I'm going to hold that, like I say, and start honing the edge. Going into the cutting edge. Turn the axe over. Do the opposite side the same way. Sharpening away from the edge. hard stone. This will bring a finer edge to that bit. That is sand on both sides. And while you're doing this, you can see the bit, the profiled axe and the cutting edge. Most of the file shavings, the file marks will be coming off. Finally, with the honing done, we'll remove the excess oil. And give a feel to the bit. Seems to be pretty good now. Pretty good and sharp. Like I said, but you can also purchase what's called a pucks. It has a coarse side and a fine side. Also the flat oil stones that has the coarse and the fine side. You never want, when you're filing the axe, you never want to drag your file back and forward across. You always want to go with a forward motion over the bit. And it feels pretty sharp. Now it's the time to tack the wood pile.